tutok, he cannot move it. There is no sorrow too dark, God cannot come in. There is no sorrow too deep, He cannot solve it. If we carry the weight of the world upon His shoulder, I know, my sister, that He will carry you. If you carry the weight of the world upon His shoulder, I know, my sister, that He will carry you. He said, come unto me, all you are weary, and I will give you rest. If we carry the weight of the world upon His shoulder, I know, my sister, that He will carry you. He will carry you. We would like to sing for you today. Listen to the music, listen to what I say. And I want you to know that it cares about you. I sing for you a happy birthday song. We would like to sing for you a happy birthday, wish you a happy birthday, greet you, and may your dreams come true. You don't have to worry if you have no money. Instead, you should be happy, 'cause Jesus is with you today. We would like to sing for you a happy birthday, wish you a happy birthday, greet you, that may your dream come true. You don't have to worry if you have no money. Instead, you should be happy, 'cause Jesus is with you today.
Di ka dapat malulumbay sa
Araw na ito,
at sa iyong buhay.
masaya, pagkat narito na ang maligayang kaarawan. Kaya ngayon binabati ka namin ng happy birthday, maligayang kaarawan. Sana ay pagpalain kayo ng ating Diyos at bigyan ng habang buhay. Happy birthday, Anta. Happy birthday, Anta. Happy birthday, maligayang kaarawan. Kaya ngayon, binabati ka namin ng happy birthday, maligayang karawan. Sana'y pagpalain kayo ng ating Diyos at bigyan na habang buhay. At bigyan ng habang buhay.
Time to you, a very special day.
Time of tears, a time of laughter too. We are wishing you a happy Natal Day.
The
Celebrant
our glorious song.
Kanino ta sa imong adlaw ng tawan at mas kabutagon. Kami nang inaot dahil ikaw nagmalipayon iban sa tibok pamilya. Salamat sa pagkamatigag-anon sa Ginoo sa imong sa paman sa sinatian. Salamat na ikaw padayon nagpabilin na mayong ginikanan sa imong anak o mayong asawa sa imong bana. Salamat sa imong kinabuhi nga padayon ng pag-auma sa imong anak sa tibok ng pamilya. Ang Ginoo padayon makapanalangin sa imong pamilya. Padayon mag-atag og kalipay, kalinaw sa imong pamilya. Salamat sa imong kinabuhi nga padayon ra na pagkamaayo, kainahan sa imong anak. Maayo nga bana. Asawa sa imong bana. So, salamat sa imong kinabuhi na ikaw nagmalikayon sa imong espesyal na adlaw. Ang Ginoo kapasinati sa mga pinasahi nga kalipay nga imong masinati karong taga. Salamat sa imong dugang nga kinabuhi nga tagatag usab sa Ginoo. Padayon na ikaw tubo sa mga sa pagpangalaga diya kaniya. Ikaw padayon ng mga lagad na matulungan. Salamat sa imong adlaw nga tawhan na ikaw padayon pa na malipayon magpasinati sa tibok ng pamilya o sa imong mga kasilinganan. So, salamat sa imong kinabuhi. Ang Ginoo ra kayo padayon na atiman, mga protection sa atag mo karon ay grasya nga kung magigan niya. Happy birthday, greetings coming from GPCC family.
We are wishing you
Happy Natal Day, the celebrant, heart with glorious soul.
mahal
Ka ng Panginoon, mahal ka ng Panginoon, mahal ka, mahal ka, mahal ka, mahal ka, mahal ka ng Panginoon.
It's a morning of your soul. It's a morning
To rejoice in the Lord's loving kindness as we lift up our voice to sing hallelujah right from the start and to glorify Jesus, morning star of my heart. Once again has come your birthday. Once again a time this year. What a loving gift from Jesus. He has given you one more year. Happy birthday, your birthday. Happy time this year. What a loving gift from Jesus. He has given you one more year. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. May you feel Jesus here every hour of the year. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. I'm glad the day of yours. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Once again, happy birthday sa imuta from GBCC family.
Happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati, maligayang bati, maligayang bati sa'yo. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday sa'yo. Ngayon ay birthday mo. Ikaw ay maligaya. Katulad ngayon, mukha mo'y sumasaya. Sana'y marami pang birthday ang abutin mo. Happy, happy birthday sa'yo. Sana'y marami pang birthday ang abutin mo. Happy, happy birthday sa'yo. Maligayang bati sa'yo.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to
Happy birthday! Aray ko, birthday.
Happy birthday ta.
Salamat. Ano ba yung handa?
Amoy tamaya man. Sige sa'yo magtamaya dahil.
Salamat.
Happy birthday.
Salamat.